Welcome to my channel, viewers. I hope you are all fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. In this collection you will get very latest, very unique and very trendy ladies party wear, simple casual wear and formal wear Punjabi dressing style. This is very beautiful, very fabulous, very attractive and very charming Patiyala dressing style for Punjabi girls. So if you are Punjabi girls, if you're Punjabi women and if you live in Punjab, if you are Indian, if you are Pakistani and you belongs to Punjab, so this video is only for you. Watch this video and get idea, because this is ideas video. If you live in Punjab and you have no sense about dressing, you don't know what to wear, you don't know what kind of dressing you have to do, so through this video at least you will get idea. There are lots of formal wear and lots of events wear Punjabi kurti with Patiyala dress you will get from this video. Lots of patchwork kurti with the short sleeves and lots of neck designs with the latest and very fabulous sleeves designs you will get from this video. It's very beautiful combination of kurti and Patiyala shalwar you will get from this video. This is very beautiful, very latest cotton stuff and in silk stuff, in velvet stuff Punjabi dress you will get from this video. I hope you are enjoying this video. Keep enjoying this video, keep sharing this video with your friends. Make this video viral, share this video on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, on your Messenger, on your Twitter and in different kinds of social network. Viewers, please subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon. If you will not press on the bell icon, you will not get any update or any kind of notification from this channel. Hopefully you are enjoying this video. So viewers, I humbly request you, please share this video and like this video. And if you did not subscribe to my channel up till now, I humbly request you, please subscribe to my channel right now and press on the bell icon. Bell icon button is given here to the subscribe button. So if you are my new viewers, if you are my new visitor, if you are new in my channel, I request you, please visit my channel at once, because from my channel you will get everything related to fashion and style. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself.